So we're driving to a ginormous playground.
We are at one of the biggest parks in the whole world.
And tell us who's all here.
All my cousins Liam and Sana, and my cousins that are about to be here, Neil and Leo, and we're all gonna go in, the whole family in there. There's like a mini water park, there are like model planes, there's like everything any kid could dream of. Yeah! There's a hele grote glas. There are giant bouncy cushions. Hey guys, I'm gonna go into an airplane. It's sick. Can you see it through the trees? I'm going down one of the slides. I'm not sure if it's a water slide or not, but it is massive. So we're gonna take our chances, and it's probably gonna be fun. They're creepy. Let's get out of here. Wow. That was amazing. The slides are humongous. They go so fast that you slide in, 10 seconds later, you're out, but you've went down like 200 feet. Oh my God. 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm gonna go on that one.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you a bit scared and nervous?
Yeah. It's a good thing that I'm going with my dad.
How steep?
Very,
How?
very, very, very.
There's even one plane where you can enter in, and there's like there's a whole disco event in there, and you can slide out of the plane.
Hi, so I'm about to go down a very, very big slide. Look. Go! Yeah! Woohoo! That was so awesome. Bye! We are going and walking up a giant water slide. It's like pitch black. Let's go! Whoa! Look at that, it's pitch black! Cool!